welcome back. I figured out how this works. So you put one finger, like index here and the thumb there, and then you carefully press the button and turn, and it comes straight off. And I'm guessing then you should be able to, not this one, not this one. Oh well, maybe one of these ones here. You should be able to take the sticker off and stick it on, and then be able to sort of, you turn it and then it should snap into, press the button and snap into place. Something like that. Yeah, there. No. Well, it'll take a little bit of getting used to, but eventually I'll get it. I think that's the idea though. Let's see, if I break it, $100 as I break it. Do not force device together. But yeah, I think that's how it works. At least it works on here. Thanks for watching.